Here, we are with Boultaudio Freepods. Here is the very tiny handy case with tiny earbuds. The earbuds looks quite similar like Apple AirPods Pro. The build quality could be better in my case. Decent good look in earbuds. Coming to the specification, earbuds comes with Bluetooth 5.0, good faster connectivity. This earbuds has got good amount of sound, with clarity noise cancellation. The bass quality is not higher and lower also, it comes with decent bass quality, as for its price point. There is a built-in microphone. This earbuds are IPX7 waterproof, you can sweat, make gym workout, by wearing them. The earbuds are comfortable, and look quite attractive. When you wear, you can access, play, pause, forward and backward the playlist, or reject or receive the call, except the volume. The volume option is not available on earbuds, you should do it by your smartphone. And coming to the battery life, earbuds can play up to 4 to 5 hours. The case can give 3 times of charge to earbuds. Totally 15 hours of charge. And the price of this earbuds is 1799 rupees. According to me, if the build quality was better, it would be fabulous. But at this price point this earbuds are good. Thank you for watching. If this video was quite interesting, make sure to subscribe.